are you, my friend? I am here with a warning. Your government would do well to heed. Dragovich is planning an attack on the west.
Dragovich, I knew we'd see him again.
His influence spreads like a cancer. Even the Kremlin does not know what he is truly planning. He must be stopped, Mason. Vladlovich, Preshek,
All must die.
Are these your men?
Woods, Bowman.
I am Renson.
What took you so long, Mason? That intel better be worth it. Lima Niner, where the hell's our pickup?
X-ray, be advised. Marine forces are engaged in heavy fighting west of the MacV. Push through to Rally Point Delta, 2 miles north of the river.
Grenade.
You just be there. We're gonna need some close air support for this shit.
Pull it together. Give me that radio.
You SOG? Just give me the radio. Look at that shit.
Texas, this is Sierra Oscar, Gold, X-ray. Priority 1, ordnance in my command. I authenticate Gulf 2, over.
Roger, X-ray, hold tight.
Enemy down!
Target eliminated.
Sonore.
Target eliminated.
So, jetzt ist mein Plan aufgegangen.
Put that ordnance on the building.
Hit him hard!
Roger, X-ray, hold tight. Multiple KHA, zero is clear.
What?
APC's down. There's a fucking tank out there. Mason, take that son of a bitch right now.
We have enemy armor! At 5th Pursuit, 7 Roger Rock.
Roger, X-ray. Stand by for strafing run. X-ray, we're coming in hot.
Ah, da oben. Nein, du bist noch ein toter Weiss.
X-ray, you are clear to proceed.
The LZ's half a click away. End of the street.
Los, gang rüber.
Waiting for ordnance command, over.
Ich hasse das. Nein! Sag mir nicht, dass ich alles noch einmal machen kann. Ja gut, ich kann warten. Das ist die Kopf.
Put that ordnance on the building. Get down. He's down.
Nein! Hey, sterbe ich nochmal noch? Merci. So, wie schießt man Granaten? So.
He's dead! Grenade in!
Was die überlebt. Okay, hier.